Is your PC so slow like a tortoise and makes you want to smash it with a hammer? Hold on, I got a better solution. Today I will show you a simple yet 100% working hack to speed your computer in just minutes. No tech skills needed, so let's dive in. We have all been there, waiting forever for a file to load, programs taking ages to open and just feeling stuck. Well, the good news is you don't need expensive software or a new PC to solve the issue. This quick and easy hack works like magic on both Windows 10 and 11. Settings might be a bit different, but I will explain what to do for the Windows 10 users as well. Step 1. Clear temporary files. First, let's clean out those junk files that are overloading your system. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and hit enter. Select all files using Ctrl A on the keyboard and delete them. Skip the files that cannot be deleted. If you are thinking deleting these files might destroy your PC, then don't worry. Let me tell you what these files are. Imagine your PC is like a busy kitchen. While cooking in a busy kitchen produces lots of rubbish as well. If not cleaned, your kitchen will be very messy and will be very hard to cook after some time. Similarly, temporary files are also like trash created by apps and systems while performing tasks like installing software or browsing the web. They are meant to be discarded once the task is done, but the problem is your PC often forgets to clean up the trash by itself after the task is completed. Once these files are piled up and not deleted for a long time, they will slow your PC down. Different types of temporary files are created while performing different tasks. So if you have already deleted the files by putting temp on the Run dialog box, then let's delete more. For that, press Windows key and R again. On the Run dialog box, this time type %temp% and hit enter. Select all the files using Ctrl plus A on the keyboard and delete all. Skip the files that cannot be deleted. Repeat the same process again. This time put prefetch prefetch on the Run dialog box. Step 2. Disable startup programs. Next, let's stop programs from running in the background when you start your PC. Apps running in the backgrounds are like uninvited guests at a party. They are eating your food, drinking your juice and sitting on the chair. Similarly, background apps are eating your RAM, drinking your CPU power and using your storage. While they might not seem like a big deal, too many background apps drain your PC resources, leaving less for the task you actually care about. As a result, you will have a slower PC. So let's disable unnecessary background apps. For that, right-click on taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs only. Do not disable inbuilt important programs like drivers, firmwares, etc. You can disable programs like Spotify, Adobe and other programs that are not required to be run on the background. In my case, I have Microsoft Teams, iTunes, ExpressVPN, Alexa and Spotify. I will disable all of them as they are not so important to me. If you are not sure whether to disable certain programs or not, then you can always Google the name of the programs and find out as well. Step 3. Optimize storage. Now let's check for unnecessary programs which you never use but they are taking a lot of storage. Go to search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Click on Programs. Click on Programs and Features. Here, look all the programs installed on your PC. If you find any unnecessary programs that you are not using, delete it by right-clicking on it and clicking on Install. This will clear up space, giving your PC more room to breathe and run smoothly. Step 4. Update drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers and softwares can also slow things down. To check an update, Go to search bar and type update. Click on check for updates. Update what is available. Staying updated keeps your system running smoothly and bug-free. Step 5. Run or disk cleanup. Next, let's use a built-in tool to clean up even more junk. Type disk cleanup in the search bar and open it. Select system drive. It is usually drive C. Check all the boxes including temporary files and recycle bin. Then click OK. This clears out even more unnecessary files safely. Also, go to File Explorer, locate this PC and expand it to find drive C. Right click on drive C, click on Properties, go to Tools, go to Optimize and Defragment Drive, click on Optimize. Step 6. Adjust power settings. Lastly, let's optimize your power settings for better performance. Right click on battery icon on the taskbar, click on power and sleep settings. If you are on Windows 10 and cannot find these settings, then don't worry, I will show you how to do on Windows 10 as well after this. On this window, expand power mode option and change these both options to best performance. If you are on Windows 10, right click on battery icon, go to power options. On this window, click on create power plan. Select high performance and click next. Set the time parameters for turn off display option. I recommend putting 3 minutes and 5 minutes. After that, click on create. This gives your PC the resources it needs to run faster. Bonus tip: install a lightweight antivirus. If you suspect malware, install a lightweight antivirus like Malwarebytes or use inbuilt Windows Defender to scan and remove threats. A virus-free PC is always faster. And there you have it, a simple hack to speed up your PC in minutes. Did this work for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.